So you're moving into a new home and you're just completely overwhelmed at how difficult it can be to uproot your life. So you hire removalists and they are great. They come with their vans, they move their heavy things and they do it well. But when it comes to your AV gear, they are more like apes with a barrel instead of man with a van. TV Magic uses the magic touch to help you move your TV and AV media with all the delicacy and care needed. TV Magic doesn't just help you move your AV gear, they also install your system into wherever you're moving next. Visit our webpage, contact your local technician, and give your media transportation the magic touch today.